Good afternoon. Came to this property, well, I got a call about an hour ago. Toilets are blocked and obviously drains blocked. These ones are under, there's a couple here. They've actually built a fence over them. So what I'm hoping is I can clear this one and the others will unblock. If not, I'll have to get the jetting hose out and go from that way up to the other drains. But we'll see how we get on with this one first. Feels like it goes straight. Get a couple more. Tissue. What is that? Yeah, tissue. I'll get a couple more rods. Will persist. Yeah. Sorry about that. I was interrupted for a quick quote for something else. Seems to be happening. Another drain over there. Filled up and the other drains here. They're still going down. Yeah, still going. Right. That's all the drains emptying. going into there. That one's gone down now. Right, we're going to give the drains a clean. Have a look there again. Get a bit of a rush. I thought I'd have to get my jetty nose out. I don't think I'll need to now. Right. Just going to fill a couple of buckets up.
Yeah?
Yeah, please. That bucket of water, just help that go. This will go through nicely. Looks like it stops a bit there. It's only going over to there. It's only a sort of short run, really. Right. Just going to put some more water. Runs through pretty quick. It runs through pretty quick because this is probably about, it looks like it's about 8 to 10 inches deeper than that one. So, yeah.
Where did it go then? Yeah. Oh, they're yours. I don't think they're yours. They're drains.
Yes. Yeah.
They're clear.
Yeah, there would be because it's just run through there fine.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, these are. Yeah. They belong to the water board. You normally get one for sewage and the other one for rainwater.
All right.
Yeah, it's all done. Just stick the lids back on. I'll give you your gullies a flush through as well.
Just what, love?
Your gullies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give them a flush through as well, just to make sure there's nothing backing up to them. I've got a bucket up there.
This is my mum's bungalow, so I don't know much about it. And I'm learning in the last few months. It's quite interesting to learn again. You know your own house, don't you? But you don't know other people's.
Yeah, it's all through fine, that. Right. We'll stick your lids back on. Yeah.
Has it got sound, has it?
Sound? Yeah. Hope this lid goes on here okay. It was a bit tough to get off. Oh, it did. That's it. All sorted. Right. I'll just put all these bits away and I'll give you a knock. I'll put all these bits away and I'll give you a knock. No. Alright. Right, that's all done. Anyway, thanks for watching. It was just a blockage at the main exit of the it's just a small blockage there was. A quick shove and that went, and all the rest run fine, and flush the chains and they're all okay as well. Check the gutters and they're done as well. So, job done. Thank you very much.